No, I said it's true. I could feel the love. Can you feel it too? I could feel it all. I could feel it all. You know I said it's true. I could feel the love. Can you feel it too? I could feel it all. I could feel it all. Yeah. You know I said it's true. I could feel the love. Can you feel it too? I could feel it all. I could feel it all. You know I said it's true. I could feel the love. Can you feel it too? I could feel it all. I could feel it all.
Okay, I have to stop doing my video intros after the shoot's done. I look completely disheveled. I'm covered in dirt. As you can see, my pants were originally black. Those were my boots, but I'm rolling around in dirt. But today we're doing a Mad Max shoot. Well, we have our friends from Iceland Weekend. Paul Miller helped arrange all this, and I have my friends all helping out. I have Philip Osowski who's helping with the retouching. I have Kate Broadhurst who's helping with all the makeup and hair and styling. And Shannon Finley who's our lead character, and she's helped arrange all the clothing styling and helped collaborate on the creative. And I'm shooting this with my new Phase 1 with the IQ back. And it's going to be a really awesome shoot, or was an awesome shoot. We're pretending it's an intro. But it was great. We had everybody coming out in Mad Max attire. The day ended way too quickly, unfortunately, to winter. But we got a lot of really great stuff that I'm really excited about, as you'll see in this video, because it's an intro and ending. But it's great. We're in the Mojave Desert, and we're using a lot of direct flashes. We're using Pulsey Buff white lightning heads with 7-inch reflectors, and just a 3,000 watt generator. And I'll explain a little bit more. But we use the sun in the background as backlight, and then we use my flashes for fill. And then I like shooting low, shooting wide, and shooting a lot of action up close, as you'll see.
So it's definitely a really good collaboration. Having a lot of fun at this shoot. It's more of a personal shoot, like Doug mentioned. So we're able to have a little bit more, not just artistic freedom, but really able to cater to what everybody's kind of looking for. So we're getting a lot of really good input that you get when you're not tied down. And you can just kind of,
When you don't have a boss.
when you don't have a boss.
And you can collaborate.
When you're your own boss.
Yeah, I showed it to him.
I feel like we're going to have one of the girls wearing that. We may have somebody with that on today.
Yeah.
I may do something with Shannon with that. But
those boots are pretty crazy.
dressing.
I hadn't even thought about touching a low, dude.
He's not just a photographer.
I know how to put on clothing. I'm dressing. There's some nice, beautiful pictures in this camera today. This is fantastic. This is magic in the making. So we have Kate, who's helping with styling. She's doing all our hair and makeup. Hair assistants, great, amazing makeup work, our special makeup. And Shannon, who's starring in this, and who's also helped arrange all of the clothing and is helping collaborate with all the styling. So these girls, I could not do it without them. Otherwise, I'd be completely helpless. I can help with the cars and the action of the photography, but everything else couldn't happen without these girls. So
I might have to make it more even.
Yeah, that side's too tight.
this is fun.
Yeah.
It's true. I can feel the love. Can you feel it too? I can feel it all. I can feel it all. You know I said it's true. I can feel the love. Can you feel it too? I can feel it all. I can feel it all.
talking as the girls are getting dressed here. I was saying that I hear the motors in the background, and I was just being very excited and saying, this is what I get to do for a living. And Jason, who's holding the camera right now, and Phil, who's helping with retouching and assisting, were saying that, no, this is technically not a job, because yes, this is a personal shoot that I'm doing out of my own pocket. But, you know, I treat it like this. Some people go to real estate conferences or marketing conferences about doing their job. Instead of that, I do shoots like this about cars with machine guns on them.
You know I said it's true. I can feel that love. Can you feel it too? I can feel it. I can feel it. No. Oh, girl. Gotta tell you, gotta tell you, gotta tell you, gotta tell you,
Ha